Hey guys, today's video is a tutorial on how to get started in MonstarX. So once you've searched for MonstarX, you can start with typing your idea in here immediately or hover over the profile icon on the top right and go into your dashboard. Let me walk you through the 4 different modes in the center. The first one is the wizard mode. It's a guided step-by-step Q&A flow. MonstarX asks you the right questions and guides you to produce the product that you want. So this removes the fear of having to prompt correctly, and it also helps you clarify vague ideas. Next, there's expert mode. You just describe what you want in simple, plain language. This is good if you already know what you want to build. It lets you describe your own modifications very quickly. It gives you an instant prototype and MVP generation, and also this works best when the idea is already clear in your head. And simply click generate POC and it will come up with your MVP immediately. Now, the third one is the upload file mode. For this, you just need to drag and drop or upload a file from your computer. It generates an MVP from the documents uploaded. So first of all, it saves time rewriting requirements. Secondly, it reduces misinterpretation. And thirdly, it preserves the business intent from the original document itself. This one's a favorite for agencies and also internal teams. And finally, our voice assistant mode. This is the best for brainstorming. It's basically like having a conversation with a colleague. It's perfect for those moments when you want to discuss some ideas to see where it goes, but you don't have a concrete idea yet. Now, here's the question we get the most. Which mode is the best? No matter which mode you choose, you get a structured PRD, you get a solid design direction, and you get a ready-to-use prototype. The mode only changes how you tell the story and how you're comfortable telling it, not the quality of the results. So, if you feel like building your next MVP in just a few minutes, go ahead and pick the mode that feels easiest for you.